Hello, hello. Today I don't come for can drop this video at the vex. I'm not in a very good state of mind now. So, how mommy, how mother go do born picking, rubbish the picking for social media because he want get social media views. He want get $1, $2, $3 for YouTube. He want get small popularity, negative popularity. Today I don't wake up for a very bad state. I want talk for you as a ayok. I want talk for you in my class. I want tell una say if una no go reconcile with una God and with that poor pikin they wanna born am. Like no, I don't know wetin I want tell una. Who's una dey keep una face them? These little children wey they no write application before they enter for inside una belle una leave am for social media chakara una pikin dey lesson and dry fish. I be very disappointed una if una care no una come no una think about me una coach me I go tell una the truth. Woman dey dey for outside dey born blind pikin dey pray for born blind pikin dey cripple pikin dey pikin wey go just look it so say my womb too fit do something. Now una dey can gear for social media me dey coach am for nothing. Why una go leave am una pikin give some person money for a pocket? Now because they pay una pikin they go get view then YouTube go pay them and you want get cheap popularity for $1, $2, $20, $100 YouTube will give it compared to that pikin where God give you so for nothing. God give you pikin for nothing. Has a you stand fine man talk for you has a you born pikin you live am for social media be the rubbish ya pikin you are the talk for you has a you. See the way granted the gosh your picking yesterday but because of what cheap popularity for social media you know so you get a handful for your table you go light a camera and gosh person where you know so you get a soul a sweet soul for protect. If you know if you fight for your picking I stand now for you for fight you. Coach me because I coach you say they coach your picking for social media. I don't stand now for your hands I for challenge you insult me. Because you know, I don't fight for that small pikin where you wanna leave that pikin out of this your mess. That child is like a son to me. Leave that child from your greedy social media, whatever. The money we work for social media, some people they get billions, so they want pay for get pikin, but they not be able. God take pikin dash on the portal of go, you can't even make noise on social media. We talk about in my class. In my class, I see sorrow for your eye. Una they can't stand for there. Una they make noise social media. Una they go back. Una they go be depressed. Yes, you and Hansa, you gonna be depressed because they bring una beautiful souls on social media. I see the other day in my class, you dey make videos saying, your phone don't spoil. Wait. But I saw a different thing in your eye from the day where they bring your pikin for outside caution your pikin. You are no longer in my class. The day when they curse you and bring back to pikin, you na life never still be the same. Take it or leave it. You know get that charisma again for social media. Children are gift from God in my class. If you know so you go curse your mommy, they curse that innocent so no. Forsake everything for the life no. Protect your blood because no woman they deal with the fine pikin. I'm sorry for bringing you voice of the voiceless inside the talk, but yes, I get for bring you for example for that girl. See this girl voice of the voiceless. It is fine pikin like needle for daytime you touch. It is fine pikin like needle. They will not get them, then the caution. Wait till they really think them. So how's that voice of the voiceless damn so you go find the pikin the way you find her so let's say na needle for one time. You go find her so that you gear for put them there insult her. I die say person talk for my pikin. Because me, I no go coach no person give my mom, I no fit ever my own coach person. So you never ever give the person right to coach my pikin. And if person stand for social media coach my pikin, I will never respond to you. You will fight their battle by yourself. So I dare una say, una scatter for social media, but una leave this innocent soul. Una can't make no social media, una go for una better they cry for wait to cheap views. Why comment section? Why viewers and why fans again for make una go this extent so una move una hand put up on a hand. Una don't say una sorry for devil una say waiting. Beautiful girl the way they get future. Una can't use rubbish. Una say God will life with you una other picking them on and put up for social media and they insult them. Imagine I wept yesterday when I see her the coach great boy. In fact no, at the vex. Hands are you don't know me for any plan, don't know me for any place. But no. keep this child away from social media. If you know say anything they will do am where it go make am make dem bring your pikin inside this thing, leave am. There is nothing worth a child. There is nothing worth a child. The voice of the voiceless, their name now. When I hear about voice of the voiceless, I know that person where they fight for the needy, they fight for the poor, they fight for this, but this thing is turning another way. It's turning another way. Do all things when I leave that innocent children. See, I vex. And even vex with I want to reach to an X level, ask God say why. But it already do it own. But what tell una something? Una know they sleep for nights. Una know they sleep for nights. What about? I don't know how una they take calm. I don't know how they insult they come for. Una get not gonna hard. Una don't say when they used to talk say witchcraft now, or they say that's a supernatural thing. This is what we call witchcraft. When person no get feelings, when person no get conscience, when person no think about his blood, you don't think about the 9 months for carry pikin. You don't think about the pain for labor womb because me I'm born. I don't say I'm not born again. No. When I only pains me I talk so. So you give your own for the woman, the caution, all manner one. Now calm down. In my class, I dey see her for your face. You know they okay. Since when they caution pikin, now for you for make her know you know say that the love of a mother that. Now love of a mother when they think your pikin so tack. When they think your pikin so tack. If they touch right for the deepest part of it, una fit do una whatever for social media, then una leave those children. Una leave those children out of it. Una leave these children out of it. And granted, you be man, you will be one caution, but I beg una leave these children out of it. Una leave this picking them out of it. I take God in name beg una. Una leave this picking them out. It's getting out of hand. What is the future we are building for these kids? When I want to say God make mistake for growing and picking them, whatever born picking we say me man caution. You see man so you picking really look ugly, but it boast to say my child is the most beautiful, the most handsome child in the world. When I take una own care people that they caution, they talk anyhow. It's a shame, it's a disgrace. It's a disgrace, and you has a you need that you go kneel down for front grade boy test here. I failed you as a mother. I failed you as a mother. I sold you to the world because of $2, $1, $100. And you in my class, you go explain for your picking tomorrow, and you will tell that child, I'm sorry for my wrongdoing. Because no, if me now so I be interested for great boy where it grows. I want to see how the picking will grow. I dey for background. I want to see how their picking will grow. It grow. When you know for apologize to that picking. I mean you know something. They video there for you to know they are not taking it down. Your kids will ask you, mark my words. Your kids will ask you. I don't know about your life. I don't know who you are. I don't know how your personal life is. But I tell you, as a woman, as a mother, you are a disappointment to your son. A very cute, handsome boy. That disappointment to you. And what? If I can, living a life it sucks. You didn't really sleep. You really eat. No, they pray, they shabba. Go for me all this place, paper, all things. Say he want go get pikin. He never know the kind pikin we go kill. He never know whether the pikin go even be a dumb or a blind or a cripple or a way to who they pray for or a complete child. He no know, but he beg for that pikin. You God don't you so palm take up. You no cry, you no pay money, you no do nothing. You know an answer for the whole West, so you know if you born. God just carry pikin so he just give you. Give him back for the boy, so me the caution. Mama. Look yourself, talk to yourself. See how pretty you look, and you give your child out there for the world to insult because you are not a mother that can defend her child, that can cover her child from the world. Begin the thing the way they mold and they cover and they tame the pikin like you know how when you get some animal for wild animal you start tame and make calm. That's what they do small pikin. But I make come out in a brighter way like flower. but your own. From small, that pikin start getting an insult. Which kind of radical life you want to say that pikin build? If that pikin grow, no say people that they always insult you. You know how both sides that pikin fit dey around. You know how the pikin fit feel. You think people they are picking them go, people they go watch it and tell their pikin the way they are picking, they go tell some person we go reach for your pikin. Your pikin go school no, he go do pikin dey for school no. That pikin that mommy that dey watch YouTube no, you go hear am. In my class, why? Why, Emma, a beautiful girl like you, for you to know how to do your things? You know, you fit still grow. You fit still grow. Couples that they grow so now because they insult people. MTV they come they shine so now because they insult people. We go Nena's kitchen the way they shine so that they insult people. We get YouTuber they for Cameroon they don't grow they get how many viewers and subscribers them. They don't insult people there before they reach that level. They don't insult people before they reach that level. No open up your life. Some people they take an insult. Some people they get shame proof. Some people they get shame proof if they talk about they need to hurt them for anyway. But when it comes to your picking, you see how we grant it, the craze. I see the crazy today. So they call she picking it touchy. It touchy. They don't say grant the key for Mali. It touchy. Now those kind of personal things and that it to the retaliate it the coach. Where would sound at the head to grant the who sound at the head to grant the even if you are say are you not get away you go coach picking for that kind of way. You go coach small picking for that kind of way. It's not right. It's not correct. No talk about other things and but more leave small picking out of it. Yes, I know say the coach now because the coach are picking, but two wrongs can never make it right. Those children have fathers, they have grandparents, they have mom, they have not even their only their biological mommy with their mommy. They have parents left, right, center. When we stop this thing when I don't have social media with picking them, when I let the play with picking them, we go down give una one, I don't know, when I don't work for it. When I leave these children, honor your child, cherish your child, give the best to your child, don't give insult to your child, motherfuckers.